In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a tattoo with Photopea. Open your browser and head to photopea.com. When the editor loads, start by creating a fresh canvas. Click New Project to bring up the document settings. You'll see fields for width, height, and DPI. Make sure the units are in pixels, then set the width to 2000. Next, set the height to 2000 as well. A square canvas is great for most tattoo concepts because it gives you room to explore composition without running out of space. Now click into the DPI field and set it to 300. This resolution is important for tattoos meant for printing. It keeps your lines crisp and prevents fuzzy edges when you scale or print your design. When everything looks good, click Create. With the blank canvas ready, choose the brush tool from the toolbar. Set your foreground color to black, adjust the brush size and hardness to match the style you're going for, and begin sketching your idea right on the canvas. Use a softer brush for rough sketching and a harder brush for clean line work. Quick tip, zoom in to refine details and zoom out to check the overall balance. If you make a mistake, undo is your friend. To keep things clean and organized, go to the Layer menu and choose New Layer. Working on a new layer lets you refine lines without destroying your initial sketch. This non-destructive approach is standard practice for artists because it gives you freedom to iterate and change your mind. Now in the Layers panel, click on the background layer. Reduce its opacity so your initial marks become faint. This is like using a light box. The sketch guides you without overpowering your final line art. Click back on Layer 1 and continue drawing using the sketch only as a guide. Tighten up curves, define edges, and add small details that give your tattoo personality. Keep your strokes deliberate and consistent so the design is easy for an artist to stencil. If your concept includes words or dates, select the Type tool. Click on the canvas and type your preferred text. Choose a font that matches your design's mood, adjust size and spacing, and place it carefully so it complements the artwork. Keeping text on its own layer makes it easy to nudge into position. When you're happy with the design, go to File, choose Export As, and select PNG. PNG supports transparency, which is perfect for tattoo mockups. Finally, click Save and you're done. You now have a clean, high-resolution tattoo design ready to share or print.